Good morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, December 14th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy and foggy with a high of 73 degrees and a low of 59 degrees with a 15% chance of rain.
Don't forget to dress up in red, black, and green to celebrate Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa is celebrated December 26th through January 1st to honor African heritage and African American culture.
Today in history, in 1819, Alabama becomes the 22nd state of the United States.
In the headlines, after raising $2.8 million to make wishes come back true for sick kids, the Night of a Million Lights holiday tour is back. Give Kids the World Village has launched their second annual holiday lights extravaganza, running until January 2nd, lighting up the Central Florida skyline. The 52-night open house will once again provide the public with a rare glimpse inside Give Kids the World Village, a fun resort that provides critically ill children with the magical week-long wish vacations at no cost.
Last year's event grossed $2.8 million to make wishes come true for children struggling with illness and their families. Guests can explore a sparkling tree trail, take photos at one-of-a-kind, step in frames and backdrops, and enjoy a guided storytelling tour of 100 magnificently lit villages from the comfort of a tram.
Today's fun fact is, the tallest Christmas tree ever was displayed in Seattle, Washington. It measured 221 feet.
What? Now, here's Miss Edley and Miss Thompson for the joke of the day.
Thanks. Hey. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
What's every elf's favorite type of music?
I don't know.
Rap music.
Hey.
Put up the lights.
Put up the lights.
The lights, I'm gonna show you how to present. You need a lot of paper and some tape. Let the package
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Lily.
And I'm Alexis.
That's Larry.
And that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Finker.